Oh boys, another beautiful day here on Sesame. Yeah, the last time we did that hasn't had any TV show Thomas. Fine. We're all still today. A new throwback Thursday. For the new Timothy movie, Bebop. Wait, no, I can find the toilets or something. Why me? Ooh, you're so cool. You're so cute. You're so cute. Where that night? Wait, how much games I play, Grogu? Oh, I played lots of games. Parody King, Marco Polo, and oh my goodness, what are you doing with those toys? I couldn't find where to put my spoons. We're going to learn about the number 3. I have 3 apples. And I have 3 toys. Oh my goodness, what are you doing with those toys? Yeah.